My friends come over.
Yeah.
This is Joe and this is Billy.
Joe and Billy?
They're firefighters.
I'm a firefighter.
You're a firefighter too? That's awesome. What's your name?
My name is Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles the firefighter.
Welcome to Learning League.
Hi guys, welcome to
Guys, Learning League.
Learning League. So today we are going
and see some blue, and I got a tattoo, and I love unicorns.
Yep, just got a unicorn tattoo.
And it has glitter on it.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Okay, so today we are making a town or a community
Yeah.
out of a big poster board and markers.
And markers. Lots of markers.
What does a good community need? What were we talking about a minute ago?
Houses and
Houses,
stuff that we can eat.
grocery stores,
Grocery stores.
libraries,
Libraries.
schools.
Schools.
What else? Roads,
Roads. Sidewalks.
sidewalks. Okay, so we're gonna get building our community.
And yards and
yards.
fences.
Yep. Okay, so we're
And
gonna get
flowers.
building our community. What do you want to call our community?
I don't know.
Sophia Land?
Sophia Land. I mean Unicorn Land.
Unicorn
So we can get some unicorns.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Yeah, Unicorn Land. and unicorns are rocking on the world.
All right, so we're gonna get started.
Like that.
Knock, 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 knock.
Is that a stranger?
No, I just want some cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
I want cotton candy. I want cotton candy.
Okay, go over here. Let's see.
What kinds of cotton candy do you have?
We're out of candy.
Then what do you have?
My dogs and kitties eat it.
Oh no.
Do you want milkshakes?
Yes.
Milkshake.
I'll take a milkshake. I'll sit here and wait. I'll come over to this window. This window is takeout window. I'll have some ice cream.
Taking care of my dogs. Say, I need some stuff like that.
Hey.
What?
I need some ice cream right now. Look, I fainted because I need ice cream. You're out of everything. What do you have?
I have cupcakes, sprinkles, and chocolate, and milkshakes if you want.
Okay, I guess I'll take a milkshake.
How about the door?
Thank you. Go back to my fire station now.
Or next door.
Yeah.
Or next door. Can I please have a winter treat? Does anyone wanna not get ice cream and stay with me and like do stuff? Anyone wanna do stuff?
Sure, I'll stay. I've got a mustache. I'm pretty cool.
You need to say knock knock.
Knock, knock.
With the door. Later.
Knock, knock.
Oh! You need to come out the door?
Hey,
Hi.
somebody said that you wanted somebody to stay with you.
Okay.
But I kind of want a hamburger. Do you have hamburgers?
I only have sweets. But let me see in the cabinet.
Okay, I'm gonna come
Oh,
over.
I see a hamburger!
Yes, I'll take a hamburger.
Here's the hamburger.
Thank you. Nom, 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 nom. I ate it all.
So interesting. You want my other, and I'm gonna send a letter.
Okay. Ooh, a letter. Boop. Open it up. What does it say?
It says, come to my house, my strawberry cake house.
Come to my strawberry shortcake house. Okay. Knock, knock.
Oh, someone comes. Hello.
Hi, I got a letter to come here.
Oh, that's my letter.
Oh. What did you need?
I want someone to stay with me and like hang out.
Okay. What do you want to
But
do?
I don't have any couches or anything.
Okay.
So I need to buy some more furniture.
Okay.
So, do you want to come in my house?
Sure.
Like hamburger, because I'm hungry.
Okay. Can I have a hamburger too?
You need to come. Sit down somewhere. There's a hamburger.
Ooh, thank you.
I just take few bites. I don't like, nom nom nom.
Can my friends come over?
Yeah.
This is Joe and this is Billy.
Joe and Billy?
They're firefighters.
I'm a firefighter.
You're a firefighter too? That's awesome. What's your name?
My name is Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles the firefighter. What did you think of making your own little town?
Yeah, I'm gonna play with Mommy with it.
Was it fun?
Yeah,
Do you think you'd like to play with it more?
yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell your friends bye?
Bye.
We will see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe. for more fun
videos.
All right, we'll see you guys later.